It may be a job. You must not solve it.
There are students and what district का job
Praveen sir speaking.
और यहाँ पे जो हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट का सारे students
Who has done this?
हम लोग का ग्रुप बनाया है
They are painter, they are player, they are writer, they are
Dancers.
educationist, dancers,
and now news anchor.
news actor.
News
So if you
anchor.
speak English, you can become a news anchor also, no?
When
Parvati.
for your support, we can learn many everything and
Of course you can do it. Nothing is impossible. Yes. That should also be one of the mottos.
Divya,
Put it
I guess.
on the board.
Ma'am.
Nothing is impossible.
Ma'am, I will suggest one thing to India and team. If they can, they are learning.